in Czech, the last case was during the April 2018, so will be soon not 1 year. So quite surprised for us that we was successful. But the most important was to collaborate with all interested parties, means the veterinarians, the state authorities. We divided quite fast the whole area into two zones, like a high-risk zone where the hunting and feeding was forbidden, and the second zone was with the low risk. There we started to hunt after the first case. So we tried to manipulate the surroundings of the high-risk area. I think we were successful. I think Estonian hunters are in an absolute different position as we are, because our virus is already in the whole country, and unfortunately I can't compare the situation with Czech with the Estonian hunters. But I cross fingers.